let me showcase you the problem. So I'm writing an HTML. Let's do it a fresh one. Okay, now I'm writing an HTML and now I need to add an iframe here. Okay, so either way, I just open the video, click on share, click on embed, and I copy and I paste it here. Now I save the page, and if I reload the website, you will see that the video has been added to the bottom of the page as an iframe. However, if I try to change the source, and now if I try to save it, and now if I try to reload it, you will see Control F5 to clear the cache. Yeah, you will see the video is not working and it is saying enable JavaScript, even though JavaScript is enabled, otherwise these won't be working. Okay, so the problem lies with the cPanel editor itself. Okay, what it does is it automatically adds sandbox equal to 0. This is the tag that it automatically adds every time. Let me just zoom in a bit, and it automatically adds. And if I remove it, save it, and I reload the page, you can see the video starts working just fine. Okay, however, so as a temporary measure, what you can do, you can just click save. Okay, and before publishing your website, go to source, find sandbox and remove it from your website, save it in this format itself, and then send the video off to the internet. That's the simple save.